How to make and create comparison infographic on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account and click on create a design right here. Search for infographic and click on the infographic option right here. It will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find many options. Scroll down right here until you find comparison infographic. Click on see all and choose a template, for example this one, and now you can manage this infographic right here. You can edit the text and everything by clicking on it. After you finish editing, go here, click on share and click download. It's very easy, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.